Most professionals are waiting to see how AI changes their role. That's backwards. The advantage goes to the people who redesign their role early. AI is turning roles into modular systems. Tasks can now be automated, augmented, or eliminated. Your job is no longer a static description. It's a structure you can redesign. When people feel risk, they try to protect what they currently do. But tasks are exactly what AI absorbs. Protecting tasks increases exposure. Instead of protecting execution, protect responsibility. Let AI handle production. You move towards decision ownership. Every job follows the same structure. Input comes in, processing happens, decisions are made. AI is strongest in the middle layer. That's where automation begins. Look for reporting, formatting, drafting, data summarization, recurring analysis. These are leverage opportunities, not threats. Move closer to interpretation, trade-offs, recommendations, strategic direction. Decision proximity increases value. When you design the system, automation increases your importance. You are no longer the executor. You are the multiplier. In most organizations, AI won't eliminate entire functions overnight. It will reshape responsibilities. Those who reshape early gain leverage. Those who wait inherit leftovers. This is the most important question you can ask right now. Not, will AI replace me? But, what part should it replace? Restructuring always comes later. Design always comes first. If you redesign your role now, AI becomes your advantage. Click on the icon to subscribe to the channel. That way you won't miss the next installment in the series. Also, give us a like if you like the content.